Hello there. This tutorial is particularly for individuals using the Intel graphics GPU or driver. So you have to check which driver you're currently using. To do that, you're going to go down here and type System Information. You can run as an admin or just open. So this is how we're going to know which GPU we are currently on. So in my case, it's the Intel R-Core, and we are going to need this number i7-7600U. Okay, so the link down below will direct you to here. This is the Intel Download Center. Okay, so this number that I told you we are going to need, -7600U, it's going to be different depending on the computer you're currently using. Okay, so we're going to get that number. I'm not sure we can copy it. Go to that link, type i7-7600U, search. Okay, this is the results that we have. So you want to make sure you're downloading the updated version. So check on the version and the dates. Here we can see it's the latest, 9th of March 2024. If we go down, we are going to also see this was 2022. So this is what we need. Another thing you have to take into account is the generation of your processor, okay? So here it's 7th to 10th generation. What we have here, you can see mine is 7th generation. To know the generation of your computer, it's the number immediately after the hyphen. So here it is 7. I hope that's understood. So we are going to click download. That might take some time depending on your connection on your computer. So see you once I have it downloaded. Okay, so our download is now finished. We're going to click on our download so that we can begin the process of installation. Once it's done extracting, just begin to install. I'm not sure if it will install on my computer as I just recently updated. Let's see, however. Okay, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Oh, yeah, it cannot install because I recently just installed. So just follow the process of installation and make sure you install it fully. Okay, once that's done, you'll need to verify that the installation is successful and that you are on the current version. So to do that, just go down again to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Open. Go to Display Adapters. Click that and open the Intel graphics. Go to Driver and check here the version so it aligns with the one on the Intel Download Center, and you also want to check on the date to ensure it's the one that is the most recent in 2024. Okay, so that's the process. Once this is done, you can choose to turn off your computer or just already start launching DaVinci Resolve, and it should work. So if it works for you and everything goes well, kindly let me know your feedback in the comments section, and in case you need me to do anything of the sort, just let me know. I hope it works for you, and I also wish you the best in your content creation journey. So goodbye. Thanks for watching.